Good morning, students. Today we'll start our journey to the course of climatology. As we know that there are four topics in the climatology course, that is atmospheric temperature, pressure, humidity, and precipitation. So, before going to the first topic, we have to know first of all what is climatology. Climatology is a part of physical geography and also part of atmospheric science. According to H.G. Crisfield, climatology is a science which studies the nature of climate, the causes and the interpretation of its spatial variations and its association with the elements of natural environments and human activities. Today, we will discuss about the atmospheric temperature. Before we going to the main topic, we will discuss all the related topic of atmospheric temperature, that is what is temperature, then transfer of heat energy, mean and range of temperature, measuring instrument of temperature, factors affecting of temperature, horizontal and vertical distribution of temperature, and insulation and heat budget. First of all, we have to know what is temperature and what are the sources of temperature. As we know that sun is the major sources of the atmospheric temperature. In fact, the atmosphere receives very low amount of heat energy from the sun, as it receives most of its energy from the long wave terrestrial radiation. Atmosphere receives energy from the sun and the earth by the process of atmospheric heating and cooling of the atmosphere through the process of radiation, conduction and convection. Now the question is, what is heat and what is temperature? Is there any difference between two of them? The answer is obvious. There is a difference between two of them. Heat is a form of energy, while temperature denotes the intensity of hotness and coldness of any substances. Heat is the cause and the temperature is the effect. Now the question is how heat energy transferred from one place to another. There are three processes of heat energy transfer, that is radiation, convection and conduction. First of all, we will know about the what is radiation. Radiation is the process when the energy is transferred by electromagnetic radiation. The heat energy is radiated from the outer surface of the sun in the form of shortwave radiation, and the atmosphere receives only 14% of this shortwave electromagnetic radiations. Second one is conduction. So, what is conduction? Conduction is the process of heat transfer through direct contact or molecules of matter in any body is called conduction. The Earth's surface is heated during the daytime after receiving solar radiation. The air coming in the contact with the warmer ground surface is also heated because of transfer of heat from the ground surface through the molecules of the air. Next one is convection. The transfer of heat energy through the movement of mass of substance from one place to another place is called convection. The Earth's surface gets heated after receiving heat energy from the sun. Consequently, the air coming in contact with the warmer Earth's surface also get heated and expands in volume and then becomes lighter and then rises to upward. Conversely, the colder, dense air descends to reach the Earth's surface. Then the descending air also becomes warmer and expands and then rises upwards. This whole mechanism of ascent of warmer air and descent of colder air generates convection currents in the lower atmosphere. This convective mechanism transport heat from the ground surface to the atmosphere and thus help in the heating of the lower atmosphere. Now we will know how to measure the temperature, diurnal range of temperature, annual range of temperature with the